Okay, are you ready for a sentence that without a doubt will immediately start to stress you all out? Okay, here we go. Try to say this with cheer. The holiday season is here.
Already?
Yep, that's the trend taking over. Before long, we're buying our trees in October and drinking eggnog while it's still really hot.
Wait, is that so bad?
No, it is not.
But you know what's bad? All the holiday stress and a credit card debt and a house that's a mess. So with help from our HSN friends here, here's how you do better this year.
When you're shopping for your wife and see a dress, don't buy it. You're a man, you have no style, please don't even try it.
I'm speaking from experience. Last year, I bought this non-refundable one here. Even my 7-year-old daughter, she knew it.
Seriously? Daddy, you blew it.
So if your woman wants a well-fitting dress, try Juliana Rancic. I've heard she's the best, and if it still doesn't fit, no biggie, send it in. You get easy exchanges at HSN.
You've been charging everything, maybe you should chill. You will have a heart attack when you see your bill.
Just a quick reminder, if you use this here, the charges will not magically disappear. And if you can't pay the bill come January, the interest on Christmas is about to get scary. So try this, it's called FlexPay. You get the gift now, but you don't pay today. You stretch out the payments and this is the best, it's interest free. Next,
Neighbors, bread and chocolate and giant candy vats. They will turn your children into sugar-eating brats.
yeah, here's an idea. How about a treat that doesn't lead to sugar rage every time you eat? We gotta cut down. I must insist, or you're both gonna end up on the naughty list. The answer? Bam! This does not suck. A countertop oven on steroids from Wolfgang Puck. We can make our own sugar-free cookies, then they may go to sleep before 1 a.m.
If you go out to the mall and park in their big lot, try not to hit anyone while looking for a spot.
Ah, look, he's leaving. I can get there. Oh man, that guy came out of nowhere. Hey, that was mine.
Honey, calm down. I think I saw a spot over in the next town.
This is taking an hour. Okay, you know what? I'm getting my remote and I'm sitting on my butt. Push it, click it, or phone it all in. It's a Christmas miracle, HSN.